Hello everyone! Welcome back to AI Foundation Learning, the channel where we break down complex AI topics into easy-to-understand insights. Today we're diving into a hot topic in the world of large language models, or LLMs for short. We'll be exploring 5 essential frameworks that every AI enthusiast, whether a beginner or a pro, should know about. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which LLM framework to use depending on your project's needs, whether you're working on semantic search, deploying intelligent agents, or experimenting with NLP models. So let's get right into it. First up, we've got LangChain. Now, if your project requires integrating multiple data sources or workflows, LangChain is a fantastic choice. It's designed for those who need to string together different AI components into a cohesive pipeline. Let's say you're building a chatbot that needs to pull data from various APIs. Maybe you're combining user input, customer support databases, and real-time weather data. LangChain helps you orchestrate all these different pieces into a smooth workflow. But keep in mind, if you need to build completely custom pipelines or extend the framework with highly specific behavior, you might find LangChain a bit challenging. It's ideal for those who already understand the basics and want to play with pre-built pipelines instead of starting from scratch. Next, we have a crowd favorite, Hugging Face Transformers. If you're working on projects that require state-of-the-art NLP models, this framework is your go-to. Hugging Face makes it incredibly easy to implement models for tasks like text classification, summarization, and translation. Imagine you're building a news summarizer, and you want to deploy it quickly without training a model from scratch. With Hugging Face, you can select from a vast library of pre-trained models, making the process of getting started super quick and efficient. The great thing about Hugging Face is that it's perfect for rapid prototyping and experimentation. You get access to cutting-edge models with just a few lines of code, meaning you can focus on fine-tuning rather than reinventing the wheel. Now, if your focus is on semantic search or question-answering systems, then Haystack is the framework for you. Haystack is particularly effective for building large-scale search applications. For instance, if you're developing a Quanda system for a company's internal documents, let's say a legal firm that needs to search through thousands of contracts, Haystack can help you build an efficient and accurate search engine that returns relevant results in seconds. It's also great for rapid prototyping and lighter tasks. So, if you're in the early stages of developing a search-based application or working on a proof of concept, Haystack can really speed up your development process. Use Haystack when you need fast and accurate semantic search or question-answering features. Moving on to LlamaIndex, which is an excellent choice for projects that require robust search capabilities. LlamaIndex is all about indexing and querying data efficiently. Let's say you're building a data retrieval tool for a research organization that needs to quickly look up studies from a massive database. LlamaIndex shines in this area because it's optimized for fast, large-scale data retrieval tasks. Whether it's for academic research, enterprise data search, or any project where you need to pull information from vast datasets, LlamaIndex is a strong candidate. Its efficiency in indexing and querying makes it particularly suited for heavy data retrieval applications. Use LlamaIndex when you need to index and query large datasets quickly and efficiently. Finally, we have AgentSmith, a powerful tool for deploying and managing LLMs in production environments. If you're looking to integrate intelligent agents into business workflows, AgentSmith is what you need. Let's say your company wants to use AI to automate customer service or streamline internal operations. AgentSmith provides the tools to fine-tune, scale, and manage your models in production, ensuring they are reliable and perform well under real-world conditions. This framework is particularly useful for businesses that need AI integration at scale. It simplifies everything from model deployment to monitoring, making it easier to ensure your AI systems are robust and efficient. Use AgentSmith when you need to deploy and manage large language models in production environments. So there you have it, top LLM frameworks for AI projects in 2024, each with its own strengths and ideal use cases. Whether you're working on multi-data integration, state-of-the-art NLP, semantic search, data retrieval, or large-scale AI deployments, there's a framework here that fits your needs. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe to stay updated with more AI insights and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep building, keep experimenting, and keep innovating with AI.